Welcome friends, welcome back to my another clean planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good. And you know I am MD Amanul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Thursday 7 July 2022. Now morning time. This Thursday morning I will try to remove polluted garbage and old plastic from this walking road. Friends, walking road in our region. Friends, you can see behind my back walking road in our region. Many people use this road for walk. Friends, walking road, green nature on both sides of the road. Friends, this morning I walking this road. I walking here and I saw here some polluted garbage, old plastic. I saw some old plastic stuck in road and green nature. So now I collect the polluted garbage and old plastic from this road and green nature and threw them in the dustbin of municipal. So friends, let's go. Cleaning mission is start now. Just action. Friends, walking road in our region and green nature. Now we'll try to collect polluted garbage and old plastic from here. Let's go friends. Cleaning mission is start now. Friends, and a bag in my hand. First I saw plastic stuck in roadside green nature. So I collected this old plastic from this roadside green nature. এটা আমি ব্যাগে রাখবো। Another plastic stuck in green nature, old plastic, এটা আমি ব্যাগে রাখলাম। দেখেন, very old plastic. One old cloth stuck in road, very dirty and old. I collected this polluted and dirty old cloth. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another plastic here. Roadside green nature. I saw here some newspapers and plastic. So now I collected this plastic and newspapers or small plastic here and newspapers. Very dirty, friends. This is a very bad for our walking, people's walking road, green nature. So I collected this plastic, another plastic here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন, দিনের কথা কই নাই, দিন 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 Friends, I saw another plastic and newspapers here. Many people use this road for walk. So this Thursday morning I try to collect polluted garbage and plastic from this people's walking road and roadside green nature. Plastic, that another plastic here. Let me show you. Friends, this morning I walking road in our region. Actually it is a public road because many people use this road for walk in our region. Another plastic here and newspapers old. One more plastic here. cigarette pack stuck in roadside green nature. So I collected this cigarette pack from here. Friends, I saw here another old plastic, very old. So I collected this old plastic from here, very old and dirty plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another plastic is stuck in roadside green nature, old plastic, dirty and polluted plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন friends, roadside green nature, I saw here some polluted plastic and old plastic. So now I collected this polluted and old plastic from here, newspapers, this roadside green nature, unused mask, very dirty and polluted cigarette pack, polluted plastic stuck in green nature, roadside green nature, cigarette pack, really very bad polluted garbage. Another big and old plastic here. Another old plastic stuck in roadside soils and green nature. এটা আমি সঙ্গে করে নিলাম। দেখেন old plastic. Another plastic is stuck in roadside green nature. Many small plastic stuck in roadside green nature. So I collected this all plastic from here. Another plastic product here. প্লাস্টিক প্রোডাক্ট, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন সিগারেট বাট, another plastic stuck in a road. So I collected this plastic from here. Friends, one side of this road, another side I saw another big plastic from here stuck in road. So I collected this big plastic from here. Another plastic, another plastic here, and cigarette pack. I collected this plastic and cigarette pack on this road. Friends, I saw another cigarette pack stuck in roadside green nature, so I collected this old cigarette pack from here. Friends, I collected many old plastic polluted garbage from this walking road in our region and green nature. Friends, you can see many old plastic. This plastic is really very bad for our roadside green nature, our peoples, our publics, our children. Friends, uh, now stop this bag because my cleaning mission finished now. Bag আমি এখন বন্ধ করব। Friends, stop this bag, garbage bag. Now this bag to in dustbin of municipal. Let's go, friends. Friends, I collected polluted garbage and old plastic from this walking road and green nature in our region. Friends, I threw this garbage bag in this dustbin of municipal. Thank you so much, friend.